Hi, welcome to Extra Mile's online weight loss school. My name's Peter Kenyon, and I'm a weight loss educator teaching people the skills to eat well, lose weight, and become healthier. You can then go on to use these skills to help your members in your weight loss group, your gym, or the clients in your weight loss business. This is a summary for week 1 of the 110 Steps workshop. And if you're not currently enrolled in the weight loss school, then this is the information you missed out on. To achieve your results, you must change 3 things: the way you do things, the way you eat, and the way you think. You'll need to get some tools to help you to change the way you do things. Now, you don't need to spend a lot of money to achieve your results, but you will need some tools to help you to get there, and there are plenty of them out there in the marketplace. You must change the way you eat, and this week we talked about the 4 methods available to you in the marketplace. There's meal replacement drinks, prepackaged and prepared meals, diet plans, and kilojoules and fat counting. You must also change the way you think. You do that with education, and this 10 weeks program is where you learn to follow a healthy diet plan, 1 step at a time. This week's focus was on protein, and we learned how to monitor our protein intake. We also gained some insight as to what protein is and what it does in our body. This week you also received 3 animated lectures. Now, our animated lecture series covers 3 weight loss lessons each week. The first this week looked at why some of us struggle to begin the project of weight loss. The second in the animated series looked at the questions of spot reducing in the problem areas on our bodies. The third animated lesson gave you some insight as to how you can spot reduce problem areas in your diet. If you'd like to enroll in our online weight loss school, simply go to the Extra Mile Weight Loss website and purchase the bronze membership for $50 a year to receive 1 year's access to all 3 weight loss workshops. You can then go it alone with your self-paced learning or participate in our weight loss school turn. Or if you don't want to commit to a $50 investment, then you can kick off your healthy lifestyle education by visiting the extramileweightloss.com homepage and subscribe to receive Stage 1, your free audio snacks program. And this is a gentle way to kick off your learning. Before we go, could you do me a favor? Could you just go to the comment section below and tag someone you know who needs help with their weight loss program? Or could you simply hit that like button and share it? Now, thanks. I'll see you next week with our next weekly summary of the 110 Steps program. And remember, stay focused on the results you want.